This is Northern Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaiser Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. My brother.
My brother.
Kawuyelu.
Kabuyelo, my brother.
How's it, bitch?
Kabuyelo.
Kawubona usarimo salibusi.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh,
Okay, next up more. Okay, yeah. Yeah, may his soul rest in peace, my brother. Yeah, the game tonight. How do you feel
no
about it?
stress. We talked on Tuesday, me and you.
Exactly, yeah.
I told you Nabi is getting it together.
100%.
Nabi is getting it together.
100%.
It has the players need to put on more concentration, more effort.
Especially
There's no fault about Kaizer Chiefs at the moment.
Yeah.
Those three quality players that they have, those three quality players, I'm talking about only three quality players. I don't want to mention them. I told you about them.
Yeah.
Those three quality players. Those players are the core of Kaizer Chiefs. I just pray they don't get injuries during the season.
And red cards also.
And red cards. I told you 3 points is collected already because they already won.
Exactly, yeah.
They told me that they won,
Yeah.
but I told you that I don't want to win. I want 3 points
Only.
only.
And you got it today.
I got it. It's 3 out of 3.
Yeah.
And I told you again they won on Wednesday. Then I told you since 2019, this is the second game that they won on Wednesday. Since 2019, 2 games in concurrently they win. It's a record for them
Yeah.
in 2024 from 2019. Remember, it's been many years.
And they wanted to continue today.
We must celebrate such. Even the supporters of Kaizer Chiefs must celebrate such. They must be patient with the coach.
Yeah.
It's Nabi language barrier also. But already it didn't change too much. He just added some spice with the players that they were there. The new signings they are combining. It's quality. Cross and whoever their quality is Mumiguel.
Yeah.
Their quality. When the other player, this big player they put in the second half, he was troubled that side.
Silent.
Yeah, he was troubled that side. I think they need to put him more.
Yeah.
You understand? But what I'm telling you is, you must win after the game, not before the game.
Yeah.
You understand?
After 90 minutes.
Yeah. What I liked about Kaizer Chiefs today, their high press was out of this world. They played the high press that Sundowns played during the bubble.
Yeah.
That high press, that's how you play. You pressurize the defender so that they can make mistakes.
Exactly. Yeah.
But they scored the first goal from a mistake.
They relaxed. Exactly. Yeah.
We don't do that.
Once you score it.
As long as you don't have Tebogo Mokoena in the middle field, you know how to close Mamelodi Sundowns.
Supposed to
That
punish
is the hole that you must expose. You must expose that hole because Tebogo Mokoena is not there. But you never expose that hole. T1 is young. Go and expose him because the experience is not there. Mudau is not there. Go and expose so that he can score a second goal. You understand?
Yeah.
But it's not a problem. We came back. I'm proud of the boys. I was never frightened about that first goal that they scored. I knew Sundowns will come back either second half or first half. Luckily, because end of first half we scored 2 goals.
Yeah.
We never closed them down. We never said we closed only when he said 72, 73 minutes. That's when he put more defenders, the Rook and Mudau. But Tiwani already, he was cautious of he was gonna get a cushion, but he put him out. But overall, I'm happy with the performance. The only thing that needs to improve, I'm not gonna lie, the referees need to improve altogether.
Exactly. Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs supporters must not say, hey, we scored a goal, it was a push. Everybody saw it. You understand? They must say the second goal of Mamelodi South is suspicious, the first goal offside, something like that. You understand? But if the last man is late, it's a problem.
Yeah.
Even as Dupree and Chiva, they were ahead, but the last man was late. They missed those chances.
Yeah, I think
They could have exploited Dupree and Chibaviro. They could have exploited that chance because the last man was late. You understand? So let's not fault the referees. We know if it's season in, season out, we complain about the referees.
Always, yeah.
They'll improve as time goes on. You understand? They'll improve.
Yeah.
They are human beings. It's not only Mamelodi Sundowns they say they benefited from the referee. No, we didn't benefit. We were frustrated first 25 minutes because he was against us.
Yeah.
They say football is a contact sport. Cyrino was touchy, fell. So there's nothing we can do about it.
Even the cards.
I saw Ribeiro was steering the ball from behind. The referee said it's a foul. We can't fall that. But I think also Nabi killed the midfield when he substituted Mart.
Yeah.
Mart was the core there. He was
pushing.
He was pushing the boys and he was motivating the boys. But all is not lost.
Yeah.
Kosi, we are getting there. You understand?
Yeah.
All I want for you is to qualify for top 8. Then we'll speak about next season. Maybe if you perform, up to top 5, I say to you, you'll fight for position 2 in the next season.
You want them to qualify for top 8 so that you can beat them.
No, I don't want it.
Very cruel.
No, they say they don't.
Very cruel.
They say they don't want to be number 8.
Yeah.
I want them to be number 6, number 7.
So that you meet them maybe in
the next round, in the semi-final. But it's Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
This is the biggest team in South Africa, even though 1970 with Mamelodi Sundowns, but they're the biggest team via support and everything, via marketing, via everything. Kaizer Chiefs are top notch. I won't fault them. I saw today when we came here. I saw their setup was great, giving supporters flex. It was a great initiative. They need to always do that.
Yeah,
If they fill up Moses Mabhida during the week, even when they play Kukuni here, they must fill FNB. Or make FNB half. If FNB is 20,000, 40,000, 45,000, I'll be happy. But I'm proud of Kaizer Chiefs fans. Bona. Noma bayafa, noma kwenzaka ndani. Bahamba the Kaizer Chiefs. So I want them to be behind the coach. Kosi, don't fault anything. I'm happy. Today we honor the picture. I won. We'll meet in the second round. I don't want to win a cup game because I'm gonna wallop you. Black Label, I don't want to. Netball, I don't want to. Let's meet at Loftus. Second leg. You understand? Be happy that they gave you me now. Now I feel like 15 games. That game about 15. No go better 5-1. So,
Thank you, brother.